Well, on the square body, got the valve stem seals in, got the heads put back together, and got them put on the truck. And that's about it for this week on this one, I think. We had to take some time to kind of clean up some loose ends. We had a clip sitting outside on the side of the garage at my son-in-law's house. We had a bed at my son's house in his backyard. We were just risking getting blights from the cities. We had to take some time and clean up after ourselves. We got a lot of projects going on right now. I do plan on focusing on making some better videos on this square body thing. The Skylark seems to be getting more attention, but I'm also putting out better videos for it, so we're gonna focus on the square body a little bit more going forward too. Really been debating what to do with that 454. Need an engine in one of the Skylarks. I mean, I probably could fix what's there, but I know it's got blown head gaskets at least, maybe worse once I get into it. So, but at the same time, it would fit in this square body so easy. And this has got the transmission in it, which would hold up to that 454 real well. So we've kind of been slow playing it, trying to figure out where we want to put that engine before we get too far in. So right now I'm leaning Skylark with the 454 and just keep this 350 in the square body and get it wrapped up. I mean, just trying to get it running right now. Eventually it'll get something new.